Welcome. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to hide Chrome's completed downloads notification content from showing up on your Android lock screen. If you've ever downloaded something and noticed the file name sitting right there for anyone to see, you know how it can feel a bit too revealing. With a quick settings adjustment, you can keep that information private while still getting notified that a download has finished. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open your device's settings. This is where we'll manage the permissions and notifications for all installed apps. Next, scroll down until you see Apps and go ahead and tap on it. From here, you'll get a list of all the apps on your device. You'll need to find Chrome, so scroll until you see the Chrome icon and tap to open its settings page. Once you're inside Chrome's app settings, select Notifications. This is where Android breaks down all the different types of notifications Chrome can send. Now, tap on Notification Categories. Here, you'll see several specific types of alerts that Chrome provides, such as ongoing downloads, incognito mode, and more. What we're interested in is completed downloads. Go ahead and tap on that option. Inside this section, you'll see an option called Lock Screen. This is the key setting that controls how these notifications appear when your phone is locked. By default, Chrome will show the content of the completed download notification directly on your lock screen. To hide this information, simply choose Hide Content. With this enabled, you'll still see a notification that something has downloaded, but the details, like the exact file name, will no longer be visible for others to peek at. And that's it. You've now successfully hidden Chrome's completed download details on your lock screen. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in keeping your activity a little more private. Thanks for watching.